Welcome. So now we are on the edit item HTML page. So we need to implement the markup. So that is going to be very simple because that markup is exactly going to be the same as the create item. So copy everything from the create item, paste it here, and we just change here as update item, and everything here is going to be same. Let's quickly verify certain things. So we are in the edit TS. So we have item here. So we will refer it via item. Then we have to modify this little bit as item dot title, and this one also as item dot description. And then we need to check about the ID. All right, this is the method. So we need to also change the method name here. So we'll say edit item. So let's go and see if this is working fine. So it says title does not exist on the item component. So we are encountering the same problem. So what we will do is we'll go here and remove all this. And what I will do is initialize them here as title empty and description empty. Save it. There you go. We have the application. And now we click on edit and we see it has populated the data. All items edit, it has populated the data. Let's update one. So we'll say updated, submit. It says some error occurred. And why is the error? So we see it says the ID passed is undefined. Let's go ahead and see why the ID is undefined. The reason is we are not setting the ID. We are setting it here correctly, but when we are doing an edit, there is the update item, and in the update item, this does not have the ID, it says. So we should actually set the ID here to our field. So we should say this dot. Let's quickly do this small change, or in our component here, we have the model here. Let's try to see what is the value of the ID here. So I will copy this. This is how you can also debug. Just put it here in curly braces and type dot underscore ID. Let's save it and see what is the value of ID we get. So we get 402 here. 402 is available. So that is fine. We go all items, click here, 402, click here, 352. Correct. That exists. What is happening when we are trying to save the data? So let's check that. That's the beauty of debugging. You can check one by one and say there's no problem there, and then you can actually find the problem by elimination. So here when we submit the data, here we get the problem. So what we will do is we'll first console log this item. So we'll say console All right. First important thing here is to check whether we are passing the ID from here. So we'll say this dot item. Let's try to submit. And we have the ID here. No problem with that part. Then we are also good here. Then the next layer is service layer. So let's go into the service layer. In the service layer, we have this. Alright, here's the problem. This is underscore ID in our case because that's what we saw. So now if we go and submit and say updated, it says item updated. If we go, we see it's updated. Perfect. Let's edit something else. Update all item updated. Perfect. So now the update functionality is working fine. Thank you.